Best clamp meters. If you're hunting for a reliable clamp meter, useful for home wiring checks, appliance troubleshooting, automotive work, or light electrical maintenance, this set of 5 models spans from budget-friendly to mid-range pro-ready. I've used devices from Astro AI, hvac, Fluke, and Klein Tools, and here's how they compare in real-world use, considering ease, accuracy, durability, and price performance. Product number 1. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter 4000 counts. Astro AI's clamp meter is an excellent entry-level to mid-range tool. It auto-ranges AC/DC voltage and current, measures resistance, continuity, capacitance, and even detects live wires without contact. The built-in non-contact voltage detection especially comes in handy for quick safety checks before touching anything. For everyday home or DIY electrical tasks, checking sockets, motors, home wiring, it's surprisingly accurate and dependable, given its modest price and pack-up convenience. Pros: auto-ranging, non-contact voltage detection adds safety, wide functionality, decent accuracy for typical household work, and very good value for money. Cons: it's not quite pro-grade. For heavy-duty or industrial applications, the build and longevity may not match premium brands. Resolution and precision may lag versus higher-end meters. Why buy? If you want a low-cost, versatile clamp meter for general electricity testing around home, workshops, or small automotive jobs, this unit gives the best bang for buck. It's ideal for DIYers or as a backup meter for more serious electricians.
Product number 2. hvac Digital Clamp Meter. This clamp meter brings a feature-rich and affordable package: auto-ranging, AC and DC measurement, flashlight and backlight for darker corners, and temperature measurement capability, which some basic meters skip. For users who work occasionally on wiring, solar setup, automotive charging systems, or appliances, it's a do-it-all tool for under $100. Pros: solid set of functions: voltage, current, AC and DC, resistance, continuity, capacitance, plus extras like flashlight for dark spots. Auto-ranging and non-contact voltage detection add convenience and safety. Backlit display helps in dimly lit areas. Cons: the clamp NCV sensor may be a bit touchy, requiring careful positioning for accurate results, especially on low or fluctuating currents. The casing and build quality is good, but not as rugged as premium brands. Why buy? For hobbyists, homeowners, and part-time electricians who need a flexible meter for varied tasks, from electrical wiring to simple automotive checks, this hvac model represents excellent value. It balances features and cost, making it a top budget plus pick.
Product number 3. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter 2000 counts. This Astro AI multimeter functions more like a classic digital multimeter than a clamp meter, yet remains quite versatile. AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, continuity, diode tests, even capacitance. In my use, it's been handy for detailed electronics work, battery testing, checking appliance circuits, and more nuanced tasks where clamp meters aren't convenient. Pros: auto-ranging simplifies use, good for detailed measurement tasks like small circuits, electronics, battery testing. Offers many functions that a clamp alone might not support. Easy for DIY electronics, appliance repair, or automotive battery checks. Cons: because it lacks a clamp, you need test leads for current measurement. Not as convenient for grab-and-go current checks on live cables. Less ideal for heavy wires or high current circuits compared to clamp meters. Also less suited to quick on-site troubleshooting where clamp style is preferred. Why buy? If your work is more about electronics repair, appliances, small motors, battery diagnostics, or you need detailed voltage or resistance readings, this Astro AI model gives solid functionality at a fraction of the price of high-end instruments. Product number 4. Fluke 323 True RMS Clamp Meter. The Fluke 323 is widely regarded, by many in trade and electrical work, as a go-to clamp meter. In my experience, it lives up to that reputation. Rugged build, reliable true RMS measurements for AC current up to 400 amperes, AC-DC voltage up to 600 volts, and basic resistance and continuity testing. It's ideal for residential or light commercial electrical work, circuit verification, wiring troubleshooting, and general maintenance. Pros: very sturdy, ergonomic, and compact, easy to carry and use even in tight spaces. Readings are statable and trustworthy even on non-linear or noisy loads because of true RMS. Works great for AC current checks without disconnecting wires. Comes from a trusted brand and feels professional grade. Cons: clamp only measures AC current, no DC current measurement, so less useful for battery systems or solar setups. It lacks advanced features like capacitance, frequency, or temperature measurement. For some users, display backlight could be better. Why buy? If you're a professional electrician, maintenance technician, or serious DIYer who needs a dependable, accurate clamp meter for wiring, load tests, and general electrical troubleshooting, the Fluke 323 is worth paying extra for reliability and build quality that lasts.
Product number 5. Klein Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter. The Klein CL120 offers a solid balance between basic clamp meter convenience and everyday electrical testing. It supports AC current measurement via clamp up to nearly 400 amps, plus AC-DC voltage and resistance continuity via test leads. Its design includes useful practical touches like a side test lead holder, backlit LCD for low-light work, and auto shutoff to preserve battery. Pros: auto ranging makes it easy to use. Clamp plus test leads gives flexibility for both current and voltage or resistance tests. Backlit display helps in dim spaces, robust enough for residential, office, or light industrial use. Convenient lead management and drop protection improve usability on job sites. Cons: it lacks some advanced features like capacitance, frequency, or non-contact voltage detection found in more fully featured meters. For heavy industrial or complex electronics work, it may feel basic. Why buy? For electricians, contractors, or technicians doing general wiring, maintenance, or mixed tasks, the CL120 gives a no-frills, dependable clamp meter. Great for those who want something simple, built solid, and versatile for everyday jobs.